welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie. Today's video is going to be an exciting video, not just a makeup tutorial, it is a makeup tutorial plus a giveaway. So I've been gone, y'all, and I missed doing my YouTube videos. I had to take a little vacay, you know, on a cruise or something. I had to get out of Chicago for once and, you know, just enjoy life. It was alright. I ain't gonna say it was fun. We made it fun, but it wasn't what we expected. New products that I am using, new brushes, well, a new Cutcrease brush for you all. You want to know how to enter this giveaway. It's only for the DOSH members who signed up when I had giveaway. It's only for DOSH members that signed up when it was $10 and I received the whole $4,000. Clear these at the end of this video, so watch the whole video and you will know how to enter at the end of this video. But if you want to see how she just look, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, it's been a long time. Ordered the shades 4 and 5, so I ordered 2 5s and 1 4. Yeah, so 2 5s and 1 4. So I think 5 is my perfect shade. 1, 2, and 3 are a little bit too light for me. I can get away with 4, but I noticed when I use 3 right here, it made my brow bone look a bit like light, and when I put a shimmer shade, it looked like, I don't know, kind of draggy. Gave it a try for the base 5, and it matches my concealer that I use in Prolonged Wear Concealer, but it's the base. Use that, and we're gonna cut with number 4. So something lighter so that the shadows can pop. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my lid. This is base number 5. Apply my base, and while I'm talking to you all, well, while I'm getting this out, I'm going to let my base dry and settle before I start applying shadows. My favorite show. Now I miss the old days, y'all. This is a palette that was sold out most of the time. Orange and Gorgeous, and this is how it looks. It got these shimmer shades and looks fall. So I'm doing fall look, y'all, but it's not today. I'm thinking about one. It's not this today. I'm gonna take this gold shade right here, and it's called Guilt Trip. I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. So I'm taking that is a Morphe 167 brush, and we're just gonna pat that on the brow bone. To my Inglot, this is like fall colors. Look at this one, it's so much. I love it. We're going to go in this color right here. I don't know the numbers, so I will leave them in the description right below. Morphe 514 brush, and I just want these 2 colors right in my crease area. I want this to be directly in the crease. 2 colors right here, both of these colors, into both of these colors. I'm going to pop that right on the crease. So pat first. Hate this YouTube thing now, because like now, like the old videos, they are like trying to copyright me for most of the songs, because I think that the artists that when it was free download or free copyrighted, somehow I guess they are making it it's on the label or something, or the music that they had once that was non-copyright removed from my videos. I need somebody to make me some beats. If y'all know anybody who can make me some free beats, let me know. I'm telling you, let me know. Some good ones, like and some good instruments. I would definitely pay them. I think this one, but this is a little bit too light. Yeah, it's a little bit too light. So I'm going with this one. Look how pigmented that was. I'm going with this. I'm going with this. And blended it a little bit more, but let's go into the Cutcrease brushes. So I want to shout out to Beauty by _Melissa. Y'all remember in my last vlog, not the last one, but the one, if y'all saw the vlog, y'all know what I'm talking about. I probably have some slap coming out my mouth. But she recommended a brush to me, and I got this brush. So I got this brush. I looked on Crown site. They wanted me to purchase 50 brushes for $100 and some. I was like, no, I just want 1 or 3 brushes that I can have in my collection. And these are the Crown C469 brushes. Somebody say it like that. And it looks like this. This seems like a eyeshadow brush or something like that. But she said she uses this because it's precise. So yes, it's a precision brush, and it basically just cuts that crease fine for her. Like, if you see her pictures, like, her stuff is so bomb. So I got a recommendation from Kiki Adams, and let me show you the brush that I've been using. This is the brush that I've been using on the trip, and she actually uses this for her cut creases to clean them up. So she uses the 252S brush, which P.louise uses, Taylor-made uses now. I don't know. I can't give that brush because it's too thick for me. So this is the brush right here, and it's really thin and precise, and it does get that sharpness to that cut crease. So I want to try this one out, and if not, we're going to use both of them. But she says this brush is bomb, so we're just going to use it in her cut crease to be bomb. So I love a thin brush for a cut crease. It works a lot more faster. The only thing I can say is really flimsy. This brush is like, it's really flexible. Not flimsy, but like, it's gonna move. It's gonna move. When yet the 248 is real thin, but it's like a little stiffness to it, to where like you have more control over it. Pat. All you do is pat and you get your precision. Like, y'all see that? Only one that be like, okay, give me tips. Like, I take tips from other artists and try to find out what's the best thing, what's the best brush to cut the crease with. Like, I be watching. Okay, Beauty by Melissa, like, you got me sold over here. You got me sold. Like, what? This brush is popping. Okay, let me smooth this out. Y'all see how fast I got done while I cut? This white, let me show you first. Once I put this pigment on, it's called all over the lid. It's called Daydreaming. First is we're gonna do the wing liner. This is Sephora wing liner in the shade Black. Alice put me on this liner because she says she uses this one, so we're gonna try this one out. I love how wing liners be. To add this white glitter on top. I like, because I do want to show you this powder. I want to highlight with Take Shape Dark and Tan Tan.
Just another day, well, the next day we'll be on another eye. Yeah, they like question. They be trying to take me off the sewer here. Yeah, it's right. Stuff. That one was, the cave-in was more, fast and that's the first one, which they
Kunafa gave me flashback. I looked in pictures and I was like, oh no, this gave me flashback. I even talked to Taylor May about and this gave me flashback. I wanted to love it so bad, but Kunafa gave me flashback. I like Cinnabon to set all over the place because I don't see no flashback from there. But Kunafa, the shade Kunafa, gave me flashback. Maybe she need to work on that a little bit more, but that gave me flashback. I want to try other things than Sacha Buttercup all the time. You all want different setting powders, maybe a different, I think this is higher than Sacha Buttercup. I don't know. It's the ACosmetics or AC Cosmetics. It is number 5 butternut beige, a translucent powder, and then I got the no shine, so it's going to be like matte. So I'm gonna apply this all. I'm gonna apply this all in my highlighted areas, and I know for a fact that Kiki Adams put these in one. This is real soft, so I just don't want no flashback. So I'm just melting this product into my skin. Actually do a nice job. To a OD but pretty, and this is dark, deep dark, deep. I always get them all. Change it to Sand from Dose of Colors with some of that Georgia Peach in there, so it gave me an ombre lip. just like that. And I'm going to add this color, which is called Sisterhood. Perfect. Thumbs up the look. Exactly what color. So you have made it to the end and you are wondering, how do I enter this giveaway? So if you are one of the lucky dolls signed up on my DOSH account, I will leave my DOSH account in the description right below. When it was $10, I actually bought the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So I will be giving these away to 2 people, 2 dolls. I actually bought the Vault in stores and I had to order one of them because one of them was gone. It was Army Gorgeous. That one sold out like quick because it's like a fall type palette. And then I bought the Vault. It was like limited per 2 people. If that was the case, I would have bought 3 vaults for me and also the other 2 dolls. But I had to buy 2 limited per person. That's why I woke up and got these palettes. Y'all will be winning one of these. So all you have to do is basically just send me proof, screenshotting that you signed up. Say your first name and your last name plus your Instagram in the subject title. Just screenshot proof that you did sign up when it was $10. You have to send it to Briana Marie 0616@gmail.com. So I will leave the email in the description below. Do not, I repeat, do not send it to my business email, which is Brianamccalip@gmail.com. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There will be a hair video up on this hair next time, dolls. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.